Hey guys, today we have a laptop. It's the first time we see it here. It's a relatively new laptop. It's called Acer Aspire M5 series, and it's ZRQ model number. Also it says M5-583P. Made in 2014. So we got it here for the power jack replacement because the jack is kind of loose. So I'm gonna show you this jack right here. It is loose for some reason. I'm gonna take the whole laptop apart and show you how to take it apart and hopefully fix it. Alright, if you like the video, leave a like. Thanks. Also, if you want us to fix it, you could send us the whole laptop. We're gonna fix it for $100. So we unscrew everything on the bottom. Honestly, the jack looks really good, so the jack doesn't seem to be broken in any way. And it's really hard to say. Well, maybe there's something under those pads. Let me separate the clamp and see. Maybe there are screws beneath those guys here. So let's take the clamp out. Yeah, like that, like that, like that. Okay, no screws under the pads. Okay, like that. And that's a jack right here, and the jack looks really good. But this cable right here, no, I mean, it also looks really connected really well. Yeah, strange. Let me take it out and see what the problem is. Looks really good. Yeah, I don't see a problem here. Let's take the insulation off and see, maybe there is a loose wire in the back someplace. Okay, so it seems like somebody screwed around with it before. So here. Nope, everything's connected here. Really strange. I mean, everything seems to be alright. Maybe those metal springs on the left and right hand side. Maybe those guys. Oh, okay. So here's one cable that's kind of loose, the red one. Okay. But I mean, if one loose doesn't mean they're both bad. So here, I'm gonna take this guy off. I have to strip the cables anyway. So here, that just falls apart. So maybe the cabling itself is kind of crappy. So here, let's see. Like that. And like that. Okay. Stripping all those wires here. Now let's strip those wires here and here. Now you want to twist the wires together and twist those wires together. Okay, you want to remove all the garbage here. Alright, and I want to find a new jack. So we got a brand new jack that's black in shape, black color, and seems pretty much everything is the same. Again, hard to see any problems here with the old jack. So you want to bend this part right here towards the jack. So you want to shorten this pin right here, like like electrical short, not like reduce the size. And then you want to solder the red wire. Okay, hopefully it fits. It does fit. Fits well. Shoot. All right. I see the reason why this guy was slightly pulled down, so it wouldn't be touching the positive wires. So you want to push the black wires through. Which is going to be kind of hard to do. Come on. Right, anyways, first I want to solder the red wires, so they would be sitting there forever. Let me show you how I do that. Alright, so we got the red wire soldered just fine. I want to cut the excess of the red wire from the pin here. Alright, and I want to solder this other wire right here. Basically the short I was telling you about should be shorted. Basically pin should be shorted to get a good contact here. And now for the black wire, and now what you want to do is you want to insulate all of that stuff with the liquid tape. Like that. Okay. Now I have to let it dry a little bit because the tape stinks really, really, really bad. Okay. So let it dry. Come back in like 2-3 minutes and I'll show you how to put it all back together. I mean, it's a pretty simple system to work on. And again, honestly, I don't seem to see what the problem is here. It's really hard to say. I mean, in the back used to be a whole bunch of insulation as well. Right, so again, guys, I don't know. We will see how well it's gonna work after I put it all back together. Okay? So, what I want to check on here is you see this foil right here? It could be shorting the jack, so I'm gonna remove the foil altogether. Don't want any foil here. Right, so I'm gonna put the jack right here and I'm gonna put some glue on the left and right hand side. Yeah. Again, if you like the video, just leave a like. If you want us to fix it for you, it's powerjackrepair.org. If you're in Chicagoland, you could stop by, we can fix it pretty much right away. I want to double check that nothing else is disconnected. So, yeah, like that. Let me get some glue. Right, so glue is also stinks really bad, so I'm gonna put this exhaust on, and it's gonna suck some air out of the rubber that I just added on the jack. So let's connect the jack in place. I'm gonna put the glove on. I want to power up the exhaust, the fume exhaust. Like that. Alright. Just want to double check the current. Alright. Okay, so it's all connected. Now I want to make sure the holes are aligned, and I want to add some glue to it. So carefully with the glue on this side and on that side. It's a gap-filling penetrating glue. Okay. Alrighty. Now it's going to be like that. Now let's put the cover back on. Okay. And all of the screws are the same, so you just screw everything back together. I seem to be missing one screw here, which I'm gonna add a little bit later. Well, let's see if it's gonna be functioning the way it's supposed to function. Alright, so we got the orange light right here, and if you wiggle it, alright, so the jack was the problem to begin with, right? Now we have the orange light right here that works fine, right? But when we wiggle it like that, it seems like we have an issue with the plug as well, so we need to put a brand new plug on this laptop. So, yeah. Does work, but not 100%. So I will have to cut this cord off and put another plug on the cord. So yeah, here, let me show you how to do that as well. So hold on 1 second. Alright, so we got this heavy duty plug right here, and it's gonna be just as long as we need it to be. Hopefully it's gonna be working 100% of the time. So we wanna strip the wire here. Like that. Okay. We wanna strip the wire here as well. Just like that. Alrighty, so now we want to strip the wiring here, like that, like that. Alrighty. Strip the wiring here as well. Alright. Okay. So we need to figure out which one is a plus, which one is a minus. So this will be minus. Right, so that's minus. This is the plus right there. Alright. Alrighty. I'm looking for my tape right here. Alright, so let's refocus here and see if it's gonna improve the situation. First of all, we want to check if the plus is a plus and minus is a minus. Alright, so that's fine. Now let's focus on those. Alright, so we got the orange light, and now we move it up, down, left, right, and there is no issues. The connection is nice and solid. Alright, so that's your repair of Acer Aspire M5 series ZRQ, M5, whatever. Alright, thanks so much. Oh, let me show you that everything works. Here. Should be here someplace, right there, power, and Acer right there. So everything does work. Thank you.